Hello, it's your girl Nat, and I'm back with another Hot Position Lead. Welcome to Plug It Up Finance, where you come to take charge of your finance. If you are new here, welcome. I post daily more job opportunities, work from home position, also do videos regarding finance. So in today's Hot Position Lead is by the company ethos Vet Health, and they are hiring for a Service Center Liaison. So this position is full time, and it pays between $17 to $20 an hour. Yes, and you can work overnight because it's flexible. So they require for you to have some flexibility in your schedule because it's open 24/7. So let's look at the responsibility for this position. So this position is like a call center rep, and so you need to provide superior service to client, referring to vet throughout inbound and outbound call, acts as a primary point of contact for the hospital and ensure all clients and referring vet needs are met in a professional empathetic manner. Act as a front line for all emergency call, exercising a calm, compassionate demeanor. Book client appointment with accuracy and efficiency. Accurately interpreted ethos protocol to provide solution to resolve all clients and referring to vet inquiries. Process email, transfer medical record, and other administrative tasks. So the education license job requirement for this position, they require for you to have a high school diploma, a minimum of 1 to 2 year call center or client care experience, knowledge of Word, Excel, Outlooks, flexibility to work a rotating shift, preferably evening, within 24/7, 365 days a year service center. They also require some skills and experience, which is a team player with proven experience to deliver outstanding service with high volume environment, up to 80 calls per shift, excellent interpersonal skills, and ability to deal with emotional charged client scenarios, sometimes in critical patient situation. Excellent interpersonal skills and ability to deal with emotional charged client scenarios, a solid track record of exceeding productivity and quality goals, strong communication skill, both verbal and oral, good judgment and problem solving skills. So this they also listed states that they are accepting applications. So not all state listed, so look to see if your state show so you'll be able to apply. Guys, if you have any questions about this position, feel free to comment down below. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe, the like, and the notification so you don't miss out any of the hot position lead that I post. As always, stay plugged in with Plug It Up Finance. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.